So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in adjust clear type text. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to make sure you have turn on clear type selected. So you want to tick this and then click on next. And then you want to go through all of this. So you want to select the one that looks better on your screen. So I'm just going to speed run through all of this. So in my case, this looks better for me. I'm going to click on next. And for me again, this one looks the best. I'm going to click on next. And again, this one looks the best for me. I'm going to click on next. And now this one looks the best for me. I'm going to click on next. And now this one looks the best for me. I'm going to click on next again. And then I'm going to click on finish. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in display settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, where it says scale and display resolution, you're going to set them both to the recommended option. So for scale, you're going to set this to recommended, whichever number it says for you. And then you're going to do the same thing for your display resolution. For me, I'm using a virtual machine, so I cannot change it, but in your case, it will let you change your display resolution. You're going to set it to the recommended option as well. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. And then you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure you have the best drivers for your device installed. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure the computer is fully up to date. Now once you complete all these steps, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.